Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your Windows desktop look like a Mac OS. So for doing that, just simply open the link given to you in the description below and it will take you to a GitHub website. Then over there just simply click on the My Doc Finder, then click on download over here. Then choose a location and just simply save it. So after downloading is complete, just simply extract the files. Then go to the My Doc folder which you just extracted. Then again go inside My Doc. Then go to languages and digit Chinese. Now go back to My Doc. Double click on Doc64. Give it a few seconds. And as you can see, the macOS taskbar has appeared. And the animation is also pretty smooth. Now the next step is just simply right click on the taskbar that just appeared, then click hide taskbar, which will make this macOS taskbar as your default taskbar. Now there are few more settings that you have to do. So firstly, right click on the taskbar, go to preferences. Now over here you will have multiple options to make your dock much more like Mac. So firstly go to advanced and make some changes over there like GPU rendering, just simply enable that. And in general you have the option to change icon size, the icon zoom size and many more. And you can also change the position for the taskbar down here. You can keep it at the left or at the right, but for me I will just simply keep it at the bottom. And after that just simply go to global settings, and over here you will have multiple modes like light, dark, auto, system. So let me show you what it looks like in dark mode. So as you can see now, this is how it looks like in dark mode, just like a Mac OS. And before closing the preferences option, go to minimize windows and change it to DirectX 12. Now just simply cut the preferences option. You will also have the finder just like Mac OS. And in this you will have multiple settings like task manager, about this PC, app store, shutdown, restart, system settings and logout and etc. And you will also have the finder settings in which preferences, trash and windows and etc. You will also have files, edit, show, go to windows etc. And on the other side you will have more options like the USB sticks or the removable disk that is linked to your system at the present time, the Wi-Fi networks that is available in your area, the system, the display and the brightness, the audio settings, and over here you can also change the music or track if you're listening to any song. Over here you will find all the hidden applications that you find over here at the drop down. You will have all of them over here, and in the next option you will have the option to change the keyboard layout. Then in the search icon you will have the search column which you find in the taskbar. Then in the last setting you will have all the basic settings that you can find in Mac. So that's how you can make your Windows look like Mac OS. Now, if you want to remove all of the settings of the Mac, what you have to do is just simply right click on the Mac taskbar over here and simply click the program. Then to bring back the original taskbar, just simply right click, personalize, scroll down to taskbar, go to taskbar behavior and just disable the auto hide taskbar, and the taskbar will be back. Then just simply delete my doc files, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.